how to run Android apps on PC. So if you want to run Android apps on your PC, then let's break it down. It's not always easy on Windows, especially since Microsoft dropped its official support. But no worries, you've still got plenty of options. We'll walk you through five of them. So we'll go from simple phone monitoring all the way to powerful gaming emulators. So the first up is Phone Link. This is Microsoft's way to just mirror your phone on your PC. Setup is super simple. It's really all about quick access to your apps and notifications. It's perfect for convenience, but for gaming, not so much. You might see some lag. Now, if you want the entire Android OS running right on your computer, then that's where Genymotion comes in. It's a powerful emulator that runs Android inside VirtualBox. The setup's a bit more involved, but it gives you tons of control over your virtual device. So if you want to go more deeper, then you'll have some choice. You can run it inside an app or install it like the main OS. Now, if you're all about gaming, then these next two are for you. First, we've got Google Play Games. This is the official alleged way to play on Windows. Just download it, sign in, and bam, your game library syncs up automatically. So easy. But what's the alternative? Well, there's a long time favorite for gamers, which is BlueStacks. BlueStacks is all about performance, giving you total control over graphics and speed for gaming. So, with all these options, which one is actually right for you? So, you can go with Phone Link if you want a quick app and notification access, and you can go with Genymotion if you want to explore the Android OS, and you can go with Android x86, which is a pure Android experience, and you can go with Google Play Games for official supported gaming, and go with BlueStacks if you want high performance and custom gaming. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.